In this short presentation, I'm going to show you how to create a basic retail item in Yellow Dog software. After I go through the steps of creating the item, I'll run our sync with Micros, which will push that item into your point of sale screen. I'll then sell the item in Micros, run the sync again, and show you a transaction history report of that item. So let's take something simple today, like a throw pillow. The first thing we're going to do when we're on our main inventory screen here is create a new item. It'll prompt you to select an inventory level. And from here, we're going to choose the gift and home department, the homewares category, and the bedding and bath subcategory. The next step in creating this item is giving it a description and pricing information. So let's call this the Yellow Dog Throw Pillow. This description is a full description that will come up in all of your reporting, and you'll see that a point of sale description auto-creates below it. Micros is limited to 16 characters, so we do cut down your description, but you do have the ability to change it to whatever you'd like it to look like. The next step is to determine what the vendor price will be. So maybe you buy this throw pillow at $2.50 from your Beta Corporation vendor. Using our markup percentage and margin percentage tools over here, you can determine what you're going to sell this pillow for. So maybe you'd like to see it 150% markup. You can enter that here, and a current retail price will auto-calculate below it. But if you don't like the sounds of $6.25, you'd rather see it at $6.99, you can absolutely edit it there as well. You can then enter any other manufacturer information or any UPC codes. And then you determine which inventory outlets that this throw pillow is available at. So maybe it's available at the gift shop and the warehouse, but not at the marketplace. That's where you would make it unavailable here. You then have the opportunity to set any reorder points or par levels for either of your inventory outlets. And you'll see all of these other options on the left-hand side, such as creating kits, additional vendors, pictures, but for now let's simply create this item and push it into Micros. So we'll save and close, and then we'll run our sync with Micros. And what this sync does is it actually pulls all of the sales information from Micros, and then Yellow Dog deducts inventory based on those sales. The second side of this sync pushes any new items into Micros that you've created within Yellow Dog, or any changes you've made, any price changes, all of that gets pushed into Micros. Now that our sync has finished running with Micros, let's go into the gift shop and sell the item that we just created in Yellow Dog. The first way that we can sell this item is using the Sell By button in the Gifts and Home level. You'll see our Yellow Dog Throw Pillow has already been added, so we can sell it that way, or we can scan the barcode at point of sale. Right now I'm manually entering the UPC code, but this is where you would scan the barcode and sell it at Micros. The third way we can sell an item within Micros is to use the retail lookup function. This is helpful in situations when someone brings an item to the register and it does not have a barcode to scan, or maybe the barcode that's on it isn't scanning correctly. We can search by any description that's within Yellow Dog. So maybe all we know about this pillow is that it's yellow. We can search by all items that contain yellow within their description. You'll see number 4, our Yellow Dog Throw Pillow, comes up, and we can sell it that way. So now that we've sold this item in Micros, let's cash out and bring these sales back into Yellow Dog. So now that we've sold this item in Micros, let's show you an item history report for that throw pillow. We've brought in all of the sales in that sync that we just ran again, and it's very easy to see every adjustment that's been made on this item. So here's our throw pillow, and over here on the right, our item history report can be run. And from here you'll see all the on-hand adjustments. Any time it's been sold at point of sale, any manual adjustments that have been made, and even any physical inventory counts that have been made. All of that information will show up here and give you a complete history of this item. So as you can see, very easy to create an item in Yellow Dog, push it in Micros, and then bring those sales back into Yellow Dog. Thanks for viewing the presentation today. Please click on the links to follow us for updates on software development or send us an email to find out more information.